Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the DTI scene. Load the latest DTI build and verify your GPU drivers are current so processing runs smoothly. Once done, import clear reference photos of a Panda at 2048 resolution and align them to frontal and profile views. Make a base mesh or use the DTI template, apply neutral UVs, and set real-world scale so subsequent texture baking matches proportions and avoids distortion. This first step eliminates downstream fixes and gets you into modeling immediately. You now block in shapes and texture flow, sculpt broad anatomical forms, head, torso, limbs, prioritizing silhouette over small details so fur direction reads correctly. Then paint a rough black and white mask in the DTI texture stack to define panda markings and test symmetry. Bake curvature, ambient occlusion, and normal maps to capture surface reads. Once baked, add 2 to 3 texture layers to indicate primary fur flow and value transitions that guide later hair stroking. Finish by refining fur and finalizing outputs. You paint directional hair strokes over the mask, varying length and opacity to simulate layered fur and avoid flat patches. Once the strokes feel natural, blend the marking edges and tune specular and roughness maps so black fur reads matte while white areas catch light. Export optimized maps, albedo, normal, roughness, AO, and test in your target renderer. If seams or weird shading appear, rebake AO at higher sample and reproject hair strokes to the corrected UVs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.